So welcome back to my channel, OJ Marketing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you could go on to start earning money with CPA marketing right after watching this video, and we're going to be utilizing the push notification right here to actually go on to making money right here on CPA marketing right now. We'll be using this platform right here called the propellerads.com. So do watch this video right here and learn how to use this platform called Propeller Ads, because this is actually one of the best ad platform out there. And guys, without further ado and more delay of time, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So first of all guys, you want to go on to registering for a CPA marketing platform of your choice, to which you can go on to getting CPA marketing offers, which you can go on to promoting. You could use CPA Grip right here. You could use the offer vote right now, but the offer vote do have a little limitation right here because it actually gets offers from multiple platforms right there, and if you do click on those offers, you are not guaranteed that you actually do get approved for that offers immediately. So which is why you want to use another cool platform right there to which you can get CPA marketing offers to promote. And we're going to be utilizing this platform right here, which is called the CPAlead.com. And if you do head on to CPA Lead and create an account, you can just simply go on to checking out this particular offers right here that are actually available in this section, and you can go on to filtering these offers right here based on the demographic of your choice. If you do come right here, click on view filters, I can just simply filter these offers to getting offers to the United States demographic right now, and you can see right now that this is actually going to go on to loading up. And once this is actually loaded up, you can go on to seeing offers right now available to the United States demographic. As you can see right now, I can just simply go on to clicking on payout, to which I'll be shown the offers with the lowest paying amount right there, or the lowest payout right there. And if I do go on to clicking on payout once more, it's actually going to show me offers right here from the highest paying offers to the lowest paying offers. And I can just simply go on to scrolling through and actually select any offer of my choice. And supposing guys, I want to just simply promote this offer right now, which is the Doomsday Last Survivor. You can actually do see the payout to this offer is actually $1.63. You can see that this is actually an email and zip submit offer, such that your leads will actually have to go on to completing a simple survey by submitting their email address, and you do get paid this particular amount right here. You can actually go on to checking out more rules to this offer right here by just simply reading out through this section that this offer is available for the United States demographic only. It is available for all devices right now, and guys, to get conversion to this offer, your leads actually have to play the game for at least 1 hour right here. And guys, you could just simply go on to checking out your unique affiliate link, to which you can use to promote this offer and start making money right now. So next, you want to just simply copy the link and actually do go on to creating a landing page using any landing page builder site out there. You could use the breezy.io, you could use the systemy.io, the site.google.com, otherwise known as Google Sites, or any other landing page builder site out there. But guys, I'm not going to dive in to show you how to create a landing page, because I've actually created lots of videos on how you could go on to creating a landing page. If you're finding it difficult, why not just simply go on to checking out my channel right there. Just simply go on to checking out my channel. I actually have some cool videos right there that can actually help you go on to creating a landing page right now. Do watch those videos right there and actually create some cool landing pages right now for this particular CPA marketing offer. So once that is done, you then want to just simply head on to this particular platform right here, which is called the propellerads.com. And this is a cool ad platform which you can actually go on to using right now, as it is a multi-source advertising platform with over 1 billion global audience to reach new users and start growing your business. All you actually have to do is to come right here to this platform, click on start, and do register for this platform right now. And if you do register for this platform, you could gain access to all these ad formats right here, such as the push notification, the in-page push notification, the interstitial notification, and the pop under notification. And right now guys, I'm just going to go on to logging into my account. As you can see, I'm logged into my account, and if you do click on create campaign, you should be brought to this page right here, of which you can go on to editing your campaign right now. And what you want to do is just simply go on to giving your campaign a name. And supposing I do name it something similar to this particular offer, which is the Doomsday Last Survivor, I'm just going to go on to maybe copying this exact same title right here from this CPA marketing offer, head back to propeller ads and paste in that right here. And right now guys, you could select the ad format which you want to use right there, and I do prefer the push notification ad format. If I do select that, I'm going to go on to selecting the pricing model, which is the cost per click. And once I do select that, I'm going to go on to selecting the push notification type. Either I want to use the classic push or the in-page push, or I can go on to using both, but I generally prefer using the classic push only. And once I do that right here, you want to paste in the link to your URL file locker or to that particular CPA marketing offer right here, or you could just simply paste in the link to the landing page which you created for your CPA marketing offer. So guys, supposing I do paste in that right there, you want to just simply keep on scrolling through, select the traffic source. You could leave both turned on all, or you could just simply select only the exclusive inventory traffic or the partner traffic right there. I'm going to leave that as it is right now. For the user activity, I'm going to leave that all turned on. For the country section, you want to select the country which you are promoting this offer to, and as you can see right here, this offer is available to the United States demographic, which is why you want to just simply promote that to the United States. So if I do select the United States right here, I'm going to go on to fixing in the cost per click amount right now, and you can see right here that about this particular amount right here is actually recommended for you. You can see the maximum amount which you could fix in. So I'm going to fix in something slightly above the recommended right here, about something, let me say $1.3, $0.13. And right now I can then just simply go on to filtering or targeting my offers based on cities or by state. I'm going to leave it on cities right here, of which I can actually do go on to excluding cities which I don't want to promote my offers to. I'm going to leave it as it is right now. Now for this particular advertising budget section, you want to fix in the amount which you want to use to run your ad on a daily basis. And for the total campaign budget, you want to fix in the entire amount which you want to use to run this particular campaign right now. And supposing I do want to run this campaign with about, let me say $350 right now. So if I do put in $350 right here, and I want this ad to actually run for 7 days, meaning that if I do divide 350 by 7, I'm just going to be left with about $50 for each day right now. And this is quite advisable you do this right here, so that this particular ad does not go on to exceeding the budget which you do have for this particular ad. You can then just simply go into targeting, selecting the targeting platform which you want to use. You could either use the desktop or the mobile, or you could actually go on to using both. And you can see right here guys that for this offer right here is available to all devices right now. That's why I actually did select both. You want to just simply come right here for the OS, select the OS right now. I'm going to go into selecting all kinds of OS right here, and I'm just going to keep on scrolling through until I can actually do get onto the creative section. But you want to take note of this interest section. If your offer actually do fall under any of this category, do make sure you select that. If your offer is either gender specific or age specific, select a particular age group which you want to use right here. But I'm gonna leave that blank right here because my offer does not actually fall under any of those categories, because it's not age specific or gender specific. And if you do head on to this particular creative section right here guys, you could then just simply go on to inserting a title right now, and I'm just going to put in a title related to that offer right here. So right now guys, I've actually fixed in the title which says Place Doomsday Last Survivors, and you can see right here that I did not exceed the maximum amount of characters which I can use for that section. Right now guys, you could just simply put in a description right now. So once I put in a description such as this, for this particular icon section, you want to just simply go on to getting images which you want to just simply use for this particular ad right now. Supposing I do go on to Google, or I can just simply head on to Play Store right here, and right here on Play Store, if I do search for that particular game which is the Doomsday Last Survivor, I can then just simply go on to right clicking on any of these images and save this image on my device right here. As you can see, this image has actually been saved on my device. I can get any image of my choice right here and save that image on my device. I can then just simply go back to my propeller ads and do go on to pasting that in this section right here. So if I do go on to selecting that particular image right now, I'm just going to click on open and crop out the section which I want to show right here for this my particular ad. If I do crop out that section, for the landscape section, you want to just simply do something similar right now, and I'm just going to go on to doing this right here. So if I do click on crop, you can actually see how this ad is actually going to look like for Android devices, for the Windows devices, and also for the Mac OS devices. You can then just simply go on to adding more creatives right here, and for each creative which you do add, you want to use a different text combination for your title and your description from the previous creative, and also use a different image right there, and that is actually going to help you boost your chances of getting better conversions for that particular offer. You could then just simply select or use at least 4 creatives right here for this particular campaign, and once you are done, just simply check out this box to declare and guarantee that your campaign actually meets the quality guideline, which you can then just simply go on to starting your campaign right now. But before you do start your campaign, you want to just simply go on to funding your account by clicking on this add fund section, and just simply go on to adding some cool cash to your account, which you can just simply go on to using to run this particular ad on this platform, and your CPA marketing offer will actually be promoted, of which you can start making some cool cash right now. And I assure you guys, you want to just simply go on to trying out this strategy and using that to make money with CPA marketing. So guys, that's it for now. Hope you did enjoy this video, and if yes, do click on the like button to this particular video. Also smash the subscribe button and ensure your post notification bell is turned on all. And see you all in my next video guys. Goodbye.